Welcome to Commerce Success Channel. Subscribe for more videos, press the bell button. In this video, we will be discussing on the chapter 2 cost sheet tenders. We will do some exercise questions. Okay. This is from this book, Cost Accounting, written by T.S. Reddy and by Hari Prasad Reddy. Okay. We will be doing the chapter 2 cost sheet and tenders. Okay. We will do some problems on from the exercise. Now first problem is from page 2.55. First, let us read the question. Find the materials consumed, prime cost, works cost, cost of production, cost of sales, profit, sales with the information given. What is the information? Materials purchased rupees 2 lakh, wages 1 lakh, direct expenses 20,000, opening stock of materials 40,000, closing stock of materials 60,000. Some more information is given. Factory overhead is observed at 20% on wages. Administration overhead is 25% on the works cost. Selling and distribution overheads are 20% on the cost of production. Profit is given as 20% on sales. Okay. With the information, we are supposed to find out all these details. We have to prepare the cost sheet and find out the profit. Okay. So let us start with the answer. We start with the opening stock of raw materials. Okay. This is a statement of the cost sheet and profit. First is the particular columns and then another column. We start with opening stock of raw materials 40,000. Then purchased materials is 2 lakhs. Add both, you will get 2,40,000. Then you minus the closing stock of the raw materials, that is 60,000. So you get the raw material consumed 1,80,000. So that is your first answer. Material consumed is 1,80,000. Then you add the direct expenses 20,000. Add the wages 1 lakh. So you will get the prime cost. What is the prime cost? Prime cost is nothing but a total of raw material consumed, direct expenses and the wages. So the prime cost is 3 lakh. Okay. So the B answer is prime cost 3 lakh. Then you add the factory overheads. What is given? Factory overhead is observed at 20% on wages. So what is the wages? Wages is 1 lakh. So 20% on 1 lakh is 20,000, which is our factory overheads. So add after the prime cost, add the factory overhead 20,000. So you get the works cost, which is 3,20,000. This is your third answer. C, works cost 3,20,000. Then add the administration overheads. Administration overhead is given as 25% on the works cost. We know the works cost is 3,20,000. So 25% on 3,20,000 gives you 80,000. So administration overheads is 80,000. So after the works cost of 3,20,000, add the administration overheads 80,000. You will get the cost of production, which is 4 lakhs. That is your fourth answer. Cost of production is 4 lakhs. Then after finding out the cost of production, you add the selling and distribution overheads. That is given as 20% on the cost of production. So what is your cost of production? Your cost of production is 4 lakhs. So 20% on 4 lakhs gives you 80,000. So selling and distribution overheads, 20% on 4 lakh, which is 80,000. So add it, you will get the cost of sales, which is 4,80,000. Now that is your answer for E. Cost of sales is 4,80,000. Now the next part is profit is 20% on sales. See, we don't know what is the sales, but they are given the profit to be 20% on sales. So we know only the cost of sales, which is 4,80,000. So how do you find it out? You know profit is 20% on sales, that is given. So you assume sales to be 100. Therefore the profit is 20%. So what is the cost? Cost is nothing but sales minus the profit, which is 100 minus 20, that is 80 is your cost. So if for the cost of 80, profit is 20%, that is profit is 20 by 80 on cost. 20 by 80 is nothing but 1 by 4, or you can call it as 25% on cost. So you have found out now the profit is 25% on cost. So now you can find out profit is 20% on sales or nothing but 25% on cost. So 4,80,000 into 25%, you get 1,20,000. So that is your profit figure F. What is profit? Profit is 1,20,000. Now you can find out adding the cost of sales and the profit. You will get the sales figure which is 6 lakh. That is your answer for G. Sales is 6 lakhs. Okay. Hope this is clear. We'll go to the next problem.